Hey, good day. Welcome aboard Motor Yacht Elite. My name is Captain Gus Bolanos.
Hi, I'm Chef Katie Saunders.
And hi, I'm engineer Jonathan Harden. Welcome aboard.
All right, you guys want to go on a tour? Here we go. Let's go up to the... So this is where we spend a lot of our time aboard Elite. It's definitely my favorite spot to be. It's just an absolutely beautiful open space. You can see all of our awesome surroundings in the U.S. Virgin Islands around us. We have this hot tub. We just did a refit aboard Elite. This hot tub came on a couple months ago from Spain. It is a massage hot tub. It also has a aromatics treatment. So when the air bubbles are coming up, you can actually have a lavender scent in there right now. It's very relaxing and nice. Just a great spot to melt away your day here on Elite. So as we hardtop, hardtop's great. We do most of our dining up here, up top. So when we retract the hardtop at night, you're under the moon and the stars, just really enjoying all we have to offer. We have ample seating up here, lots of sun pads, just a really beautiful space. Here we have a beautiful bar. We make all kinds of fresh local drinks using passion fruit, sorrel, mango, and our engineer that you just met, Johnny, he is also a master mixologist. He makes some absolutely delicious cocktails up here for us. We have a little grill here for Chef Saunders. She makes some delicious filet mignons, other fish dishes, anything your heart desires right here on our grill. So let's take a walk down back here on the aft part of the sun deck. As you see, we have a canopy that goes over the hot tub and even further. So the canopy's out, you can really get some nice protection from the sun during the day. We also have a rower here. So in the mornings, we like to set up, if the guests so desire, we'll set up a workout area for them. So we have the rower here. We've got some weights. We'll bring up some ab mats, some yoga mats, and we even have a CrossFit trainer that we can stream for you, and she'll give you some training and do a nice little circuit for you and your guest and your family right up here on the sun deck. So let's go ahead and we'll go back down below to our main deck area. So this main deck is awesome. So a really nice shaded spot for a lunch out here. We've got seating for 10, beautiful area. We've got a Sunbright TV right behind me. So the Sunbright TV, you could be watching a football game back here. Up top, people could be in the hot tub, listen to whatever they want, and then other folks will be up on the bow listening to what they want. We have many different zones for all of the music and entertainment on board. If you look towards our aft deck here, you can see we have a nice big raft with a couple of toys out there. We do some wakeboarding, water skiing, tubing. We've got a 15-foot high field tender over there to our left. Out there on our passerelle, we've got sea bows. The sea bows are awesome underwater scooters, just fun for all ages. Takes you about 5 miles an hour. They float, but takes you 5 miles an hour right over the water with your snorkel mask on, just taking in all the beauty. All right, here we go, guys. As we walk forward here, we've got lots of refrigeration. We've got reach down coolers here. We've got ice makers, another large refrigerator and freezer back here. Keep all your drinks cold. Just a nice refreshing day here aboard Elite. As we walk forward in the beautiful sun here in the Virgin Islands, another beautiful day. And here's our foredeck area. Just tons of beautiful seating for our guests to enjoy aboard Elite. These large sun pads, really a nice area. Like I said, we can change the zones of the music so the guests can be up here and have their own independent party going on. And the guys can be anywhere else. Aft deck, sun deck, everybody can be listening to different tunes. We've got this large parasail here. It can go on either side. It's an awesome spot for breakfast. It's a nice little breakfast area. We can put the parasol up and really give everybody some nice ample shade. So we're getting to one of my favorite parts of the boat. This is the sea balcony. Love the sea balcony. Opens up. We open it up in the morning. The guests can come out here. We'll set some chairs up, get their coffee, and just take in the St. John National Park or St. Bart's, wherever we are, and just kind of get a nice feel for their surroundings. It's also really nice extension of our indoor dining space. So as we enter the salon, we have our dining table. We just got this dining table as part of our refit. It is made by or designed by Pininfarina. It's the same designers of Ferrari. It's really cool. Nice Italian leather chairs, very comfortable. Part of our interior refit here by Sherry Pellows of Boston. She did an amazing job with a brand new couch, new flooring. It just really lightens up the room. Very nice modern feel, extremely comfortable. Got a nice TV that pops up out of the bulkhead here. We have all kinds of different entertainment options for our guests aboard Elite. We have Apple TV. We have, so if the guests, if they would like to watch their Netflix account, Hulu account, we have DirecTV as well. So if they want to watch the latest football game, anything like that, it's going on, we have it for you. As we walk forward here, we're going to take a trip up to the VIP stateroom. This is our second largest of the 4 staterooms aboard Elite. All of our staterooms are en suite. It's a really nice room. We have our lavatory here. Beautiful wood finishes. Beautiful stone shower. The lavatory is actually equipped with a bidet as well. Nice cedar closet with some robes for you. All of the entertainment systems on board are independent in each room, but could be controlled by your cell phone or tablet. So we'll give you the app for the control for it, and you're able to watch whatever you like in each room just by using your tablet or phone. A lot of fun. So this is our bridge area. It's kind of the command center of the boat. This is a smart vessel. It's fully automated, so we have control of all the generators, tanks, safety systems. It's equipped with the latest in radar, ARPA plotting, and also the chart plotters and depth sounders, all top of the line. Beautiful seats, but also a nice spot if you want to just come up and have a cup of coffee in the morning, or a nice little breakfast. So as we go back into the salon, we're going to take a little trip down into the main berthing area here. We have 3 staterooms down below. The port and starboard guest suites, both en suite, they are convertible, so they can change either to be a king size, so we can actually hold 10 folks as long as two of the folks are children. And everybody's favorite stateroom aboard Elite, the Master. Master stateroom's full beam, really nice entertainment system, extremely comfortable bed. It's a very comfortable space. Full massage. All of the showers in the staterooms aboard Elite have massage shower heads, as well as a bidet for the Master and VIP. All right. Thanks for coming down below to this berthing area. We're back up top here in the salon. All right. Welcome back to the comfy salon. close up, save some of our air conditioning. Yeah, you got the questions?